Guys, welcome back to Linda's Pantry, and today we're going to start our garden beds. I have already got a kind of a plan, and I've started a little bit. I've got my tank, my stock tank there, so my garden is going to be a combination of wood, and I want it rustic. I want it rustic and farmhouse, so wood and galvanized. And so we're going to go and make and saw the lumber or mill the lumber and everything to make the other beds, and it's going to be out of cedar. And I'll give you a little back history on the cedar when I have it really straight on what kind of cedar it is. But I'm excited. So after we get those beds built and installed, then we'll go grab the dirt, the soil, and I'm going to do a garden blend, but I'm also mixing in chicken manure, and I also put fish heads down in the bottom, so when the roots hit that and that fish head rots, it just fertilizes it beautifully. So anyways, guys, I'm going to take you along. We're going to go to the mill and we're going to see if we can get this done. Hopefully I can get a lot of footage, but I'm going to be helping, so it's going to be a first time experience for me. I don't even know what I'm in store for. I just heard wear boots, and I've got gloves. Okay. So we'll bring you along. Oh, okay, guys. Fun. So we're here, and that log right there is going to end up to be my raised beds. Yes. So I'm going to turn the camera around and I'll show you what we're going to mill these logs on. Yeah, it's all new to me. So this is a dimensional sawmill, a mobile unit, as well you can tell by the wheels. So the log has to go up there, and we're going to try to get some footage, but we got to get it up there first. So we got the log rolled from there with two pretty cool little deals to roll the log. Anyways, it's called a PV, and so one on each end. But now we're getting ready to chain this up to get it up on there. I'm excited. It's coming along, slowly but surely. But you got to get it up on that platform there. Pretty cool. I guess we're going to have to do some kind of crazy stuff to get it up there. I'm not sure what. This is fun, though. I can't wait to see these cedar boxes. Okay, it's loud, but it's getting up there. Yay! Okay. Sorry about all this movement. It's kind of crazy. Getting a big log up. Lots of leverage and chains. This is what goes into making a raised. Just push it all the way over. Right? Do I keep going?
You're good.
Oh, that's good. Okay. It's going to be the best garden bed ever. There. Okay. Yay! Okay guys, so we're back home and you can hear the saw going. We're cutting up 4x4s for the corners of the raised beds. We got everything milled and I decided instead of just 2 that were 24 inches tall, I would rather have 3 that were 12 inches tall. So I'm gonna do that 12 inches by 6 feet by 30. And it'll have a nice 2x6 top rail. We got everything planed and smooth and the miter edges on 2 of them anyway. So we'll get those done and I think it's gonna be fantastic. There's gonna be 3 of them. So I'm gonna bring you back on another video. I'm sorry, but there's so much footage in here that I want everybody to see that I really need to bring you back for a second video. And so you'll have to stay tuned to see the garden beds. All right, guys, I appreciate all of you, and all of my links to check out are below. And as always, guys, I can't wait to see you for another delicious recipe garden update. Woo! We're gonna do a garden